Okay, so we have our iPad with our structure sensor attached, and we've gone on to the scanner icon on the left-hand side of the pad, and a box appears on the screen that I can increase and decrease its size depending on how much data I want to scan. So if I bring this up and point it at the foot, the first color we see appearing is red. If I go closer, it becomes green. And then we go closer again, blue. So blue indicates it's too close to the foot. Green is really where we want to be. And red is we're too far away. So if for a custom-made foot orthotic design, we want just the plantar surface, we can adjust the box to the right size to incorporate everything that we can see on the plantar surface, get it to green, and then press the scan button. You can just simply hold the iPad and the scanner steady and let it fill in the data. Take a little step slightly to the side to get the three-dimensional shape around the medial longitudinal arch and medial side of the ankle. And then slightly to the lateral side, again holding it nice and steady, keeping the distance in the green bracket, which at this moment is recording 0.6 meters. And you can move a little bit onto the dorsal surface of the heel. But you've enough data now recorded for custom-made devices and scan. Go to your preview and have a little look, and you've got a perfect scan there with no missing data anywhere. And that was achieved simply by making the on-screen box slightly bigger. So there we go. Perfect.